How to get student discount on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to get student discounts on Uber Eats. Yes, if you are a student, you could save real money on your food orders. So here, let's break it down. So Uber Eats doesn't always offer year-round student discount, but when they do, it's usually through the partnered programs or limited time student deals available on the platforms like UniDays, Student Beans, or directly through the Uber One. So here you can simply go to the UniDays or Student Beans and create a free account using your student email and verify your student status. And here, once verified, you can search for Uber Eats on those platforms, and if a discount is available, you'll see a code or a direct link to apply it. So here you can simply copy the promo code, and after that you can simply go back to the Uber Eats app and just tap on the account section and just tap on promotion, and here you can simply paste the code, and after that you can just hit apply. And once you do that, the discount will now be applied to your next eligible orders. So here some region offer a student discount on Uber One, which gives you $0 delivery fees, special offers, and exclusive savings. So here you can just look under the Uber One, and here you can see if a student pricing plan is available. And that's it. That's how you can score student discounts on Uber Eats. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.